Alright, here's a quick video on how to take some of the interior panels apart. Starting with the door. Armrest pulls right out. Handle pulls right out. And then you just got two 10mm bolts, one more right there, another one back in there, and the last one right there. And then you could just get underneath from the bottom, and the whole door panel will pull off. Move it over to the center console. These pieces slide right out. This side, just pull out towards you, and it kind of swings up. Pull on the top, it comes out. The center console, grabbing your cup holder area. Start pulling it out. Snaps out all the way up. Gosh. Pop this end cap off. Maybe not as violently as that. And then this whole thing pops right out as well. And the rest of the stuff you can see comes out with Phillips head screws. Everything snaps apart on the console.